Let's talk about accounting period concept. This is a fairly easy concept to understand. So let's begin simply by first defining it. Accounting period refers to the span of time at the end of which the financial statements of an enterprise are prepared. If the terms used are a little confusing, don't worry, it gets easier from here on. There is a need for defining a particular amount of time after which a company's books of accounts are supposed to be prepared. Here, when I say books of accounts, I mean the statement of profit and loss or cash flow statements, etc. Now, this defining of period is done for several reasons. I'll discuss the most important one. If you prepare books of accounts randomly and without strictly adhering to one particular period, it would become very difficult to compare two financial statements as both of them would spread across different periods of time. This would create a chaos in the calculation of profits, taxes, etc. Therefore, the accounting period concept is followed so that the users of the financial statements have a fair chance at comparing two or more financial statements accurately. If you don't know about the uses of financial statements, I've discussed about it in our video of full disclosure concept. I'll leave a link in the description and somewhere here on the screen. Now, the next question is that how many days, months, or years is exactly an accounting period made of? For a company, an accounting period could be any duration of intervals like 1 month, 1 quarter, 6 months, 1 year, etc. However, the company has to follow the period strictly after they decide the duration of that very period. Example: Company Blue Private Limited has decided to prepare the financial statements following an accounting period of 1 year. At the same time, Red Private Limited follows 6 months interval for their accounting period. Both are right in deciding the accounting period, however, they have to follow it strictly while making the financial statements. In conclusion, as per accounting period concept, all the transactions are recorded in the books of accounts for a specified period of time. Hence, goods purchased and sold during the period, rent, salaries, etc., paid for the period are accounted for and against that period only. And that's the accounting period concept.